Alright, in this video we're going to take a look at the contour. So we have the raster file open here that we have made for the West Virginia. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do contour. Now to do contour we're going to go to Special Analyst Tools. There we go, Special Analyst Tools. From there we're going to go to Surface. So let's look for Surface. Surface starts with S. Here's S, Surface. There you go. From there we're going to go to the contour tool. There you go, just click on it. Now we are going to the input raster is going to be our clip ID WSHP7 clip here, this one that represents the raster file here. Now we are going to set the contour interval here, so let's place the contour interval as 50. Okay, now we do not need to change anything else, just click on OK and let's wait for it to happen. Okay, alright, so contour has been applied. As you can see, the contour labels, contour features here available. Okay, now what we can do is let's say we can close the raster file here, so we will just have the contour file here. Now we can give it a shape, right? So I'm turning on the West VIR boundaries. There you go, so it looks better this way with the contours and the boundary here. Alright, so from the contours what we can do is where's the contour? Here we go, contour. Let's go to properties and give it some more, what do you call it? Let's go to categories. We're going to give it more categories. Here we go, contour, and then add all values. There we go, we have all the values here in different colors. So let's change the color ramp to a more let's use this one. Let's see what happens. This is much better, but I'm looking for a ramp with a bit more options. It seems okay. This will do. This will do. Alright, so we have contours here. Now click on apply and click on OK. There we go. Now we have the different values of contours represented with different colors. Now what we can do is we can label it. Okay, we can label the contours. Just do a right click on it and then go to properties. From there let's go to labels, and instead of ID this is going to be contour, and then let's increase the size to 10. There we go, we don't need to change anything else. Click on apply, OK, and as you can see it has been labeled. If I zoom in there, okay, alright, we have to apply the label. Sorry, I just fixed the labels. There we go, do a right click on the file, and then we have the label features, turn it on, and as you can see we have labels here. We have 900, 950, 850, 800, 750, 700, 650. Okay, so we have the labels here. Now if you want to find a particular the particular contour values, for example, you want to know the values where the contour value is 350. The place, sorry, not the value. You want to know the places where the contour value is 350. You just only want to know that. So we have learned our select by attribute, right? We're going to use that this time. Let's go to selection, click on select by attributes. Here we take contour, give an equal sign, get unique value. Now we have 350 here. Bring it here, click on apply, click on OK. Now 350 has been selected. Do a right click on our main file. From there we go to selection and create layer from selected features. There we go, the contour selection. Let's rename it. Let's go to general, we'll call it contour for 350 of WVIR. Apply, OK. Now we uncheck the main contour, and now we have the contour for only 350 values with 350. There we go. Alright, now we can also label the feature. First let's go to properties and set the label to, instead of ID, let's go to contour values. increase it to 10, click on apply. Okay, now we're going to do a right click here and click on label features. There we go, we only have the 350 contour lines available here. Okay, so that is how you can do contour. That is how you can what do I say, this is how you can bring out a certain value contour line, and you can make a different file from it. Now you just need to right click on it, then go to data and export data and save the file as well. So these are the things you can do. I think by now you know many things to do with the results that you're going to get from different analyses. So you just need to play with it more and you'll understand more. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. This was it for this video. I hope you got to learn something new, and as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.